Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. This is your bonus love messages for November 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your situation basically, and leave the rest. Okay, so I don't read reversals. Gender is not specific here, and I don't mention any signs in my readings, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages for you. And thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel, for commenting beautiful messages to me. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's start your bonus love messages. What are the bonus love messages? Let's see. Morality, healing, miser. Okay. Any other message? Help me out to deliver any message which is important to my Aquarius. Which is important. Change. And the world card, Aquarius. Okay. Help me out to deliver the messages. See, completion. Okay. Some of you are dealing with a person in which morality is the issue. Okay. But you need some healing, Aquarius. Okay, healing is there and change is coming towards you. There is change which is coming towards you. You're getting more aware. Awareness is there. World card, you're completing a cycle and there is a completion here too. So you are completing a cycle, and bottom of the deck I'm having the master. You are the master of your life. You're getting more aware than before. Awareness is there. Okay, let me see any other message. Any other message? Clinging to the past. That's what I was having to you. You can have a look on your main reading and extended reading too. That was the message for you, that some of you Aquarius are clinging to the past. You are taking your past things into the present, and adventure is there. I am having bottom of the deck. Adventure is waiting for you, Aquarius. Don't cling to the past. Don't create don't take those past burdens into the present basically. Okay, any other message for my Aquarius? Please help me out to give the messages. See, again 5 of cups energy, sorrow, and that's why you are feeling very sorrow, sad, and there is a silence. Okay, and again master has come. So you are the master of your life, Aquarius. You can create whatever you want to. Okay, existence. Yes, universe know that you exist. Okay, and there is an existence card here. You do not have to worry at all. Any other message which is important to deliver? Totality. Okay, any other message? Any other messages which I need to deliver? See, that's what, and you are the creator, bottom of the deck again. The main message for today for my lovely Aquarius is, Aquarius, don't cling to the past. Don't overthink. Don't use your mind. Okay, because you are the creator of your life. Okay, you are the master, you are the creator. Whatever you will create, whatever you will think, it will happen in your life. So some of you are overthinking. Okay, you are stuck in your mind basically. And I know, being an Aquarius, I am myself as an Aquarius, I can tell you that we sometimes overthink the situation or analyze the situation, because by overthinking you're getting exhausted. Exhaustion card is there. You're getting exhausted now, and you're fighting with your own self. Can you see there is fighting? You're fighting with your mind, you're fighting with your thoughts. Okay, go moment to moment. You are the creator. Okay, don't be in this overthinking nature, okay Aquarius, because something beautiful is coming. See, new vision, new vision. See the new vision, Aquarius. Abundance, abundance. You are having abundance of everything. You have to see a new vision, and new vision is coming towards you. You need to understand. Understanding is there. Your conscious, work on your conscious, Aquarius. There is something. See, guilt, there are something in your conscious which you need to work on, okay? So morality is there. There is something related to morality which you need to heal, okay? Healing is there. And I need to read the miser card because I forget. I have not used this deck from long period of time, and now today I am using it, and I have forget what is the meaning of miser. Yes, that's the message for you. That's what. There is something which you are clinging to, Aquarius. You are clinging to something which is not good for you because change is coming for you. Can you see change? And there is a sign here of yin and yang. So there is some change coming in your way for sure in your life. Okay, there is world card, there is completion. So there is world and there is completion. You are completing a cycle, okay? So don't clinch to the past, Aquarius, okay? Whatever has happened, that you cannot change. And don't clinch to the past. Don't feel sorrow on those things, okay? Don't feel sorrow on those past events or past things, okay? Some of you are have to keep silence right now. Silence your mind, okay? Keep your mind in a silent space, okay? Silent your mind because you are the master here. You are the master of your life, okay? You can create whatever you want to, and universe knows that you exist. You do not have to worry about it. Divine, universe, everyone knows it, that you exist, Aquarius, okay? You do not have to think more. And there is again, some of your Aquarius are more more doing overthinking, okay? Mind is there, exhaustion and fighting. These three energies are there for you. So some of you Aquarius are thinking over, okay? Don't overthink. Don't use your mind in overthinking because that will only give you this exhaustion. And you, some of your Aquarius are feeling exhausted because you are fighting with yourself, with your, you have to fight with your own mind, okay? You are fighting with it. Can you see there are two men here who is fighting here in this picture, and this man is stuck in, you're fighting with your own demons, okay? You have to get out of this energy, Aquarius, okay? Don't think too much. Don't use your mind, okay? Because you're completing a cycle. You're getting more aware, okay? Don't clinch to the past. Inner voice, again, bottom of the deck I'm having inner voice. Listen to your inner voice, Aquarius. Very important. Your inner voice will guide you very properly. Inner voice is there. You have to listen your inner voice, okay? Oh wow, oh wow. Why I am saying this, okay? You will feel happy now, Aquarius. There is a past life connection, okay? Past lives, okay? There is someone in your life in which you both have spent lots of lives together, okay? And there is a transformation going on, And again there is a yin and yang in this man's hand. I think I you can see this clearly or not, I don't know, but there is something, and there is a lovers to Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. You both have spent many lives together, okay? So you do not have to think a lot. Listen to your inner voice, okay? Listen to your inner voice. You are dealing with someone with whom you have spent lots of past lives. You both have spent lots of past lives, okay? And you are getting now transformed, okay? Transformation is there for you. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. Again, in the main reading also, I'm telling you that you're dealing with your divine counterpart, okay? Again, from second deck, I'm getting the Lovers card for you. So that's your divine counterpart, okay? You do not have to worry about it. Don't use your mind too much. Don't think your mind too much. You do not have to worry at all. Things are coming your way. See, celebration is there, Aquarius. Beautiful energies are coming for you, Aquarius, and I love your reading always. The advice is, do not clinch to the past. Do not overthink your mind. Your mind is the biggest enemy, okay, Aquarius? Air signs, I know we think a lot by the mind, but sometimes we get into our mind too much, that we get exhausted, that we fight with our own demons, okay? Do not fight with your own demons, because something is beautiful in there in your life. The celebration card is there. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. You're getting transformation, and the person you are dealing with is from your past lives. You both have spent lots of past lives together, okay? So change is coming for you. That's very clear here, okay? Change is there. World card is there. You're completing something, a cycle. World card is there. Completion of a cycle and starting a new cycle, and there is a completion card too. Okay, so you are just completing a cycle, okay? You do not have to worry at all. Do not condition yourself. Conditioning is there, and trust is there. Again, there is an adventure waiting for you. Can you see? There is lots of lights here. Rainbow lights is there. This girl is moving, this child is moving towards light. So trust the universe, trust the divine. That do not condition them, do not condition yourself. You deserve it, and you are getting it, Aquarius. Wow. Do not use your mind. That's the message I'm getting for you. The person you are dealing with is your divine counterpart. That's for sure. Can you see? Past lives, transformation, celebration, lovers, okay? Completion, world card, and the change is there. So these are the messages. And please, I'm again saying you that do not feel sorrow. Do not feel sorrow. Do not clinch on the past. Clinch to the past, okay? Don't clinch to the past. Don't overthink your mind. Do not use your mind overly, because you will only get exhausted. Exhaustion is there, and you are fighting with your own mind, with your own demons, okay? So do not do that. That was the messages from this deck. I hope I see it just rest. Dream. Your dream is coming true, Aquarius. And what was your dream? To get back with your divine counterpart, to meet your divine counterpart, to get union with your divine counterpart. Some of you will get these dreams while dreaming. Can you see? This girl is looking towards the dream. So that's your dream. Follow your dream, okay, Aquarius? Your dream is going to happen now. Wow, beautiful. Some of you may be getting this dream while sleeping. That can be a possibility, but there is a divine counterpart. Your divine counterpart is waiting for you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. Okay. Please give me the messages. It's time to release negativity, okay? What are the messages which are important to my Aquarius? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver the messages which is important to my Aquarius. Look at the bigger picture, Aquarius. Look at the bigger picture is your first message. Full moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. Again, new moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. Okay. Any other message? Adjustments are required. Okay, so some of you need to do some adjustment, and you will do that. I'm 100% sure about my Aquarius. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, step out of your comfort zones. Any other message which I need to deliver? Again, this message has come because it was popping me while shuffling too. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. It's time to release negativity, Aquarius. That's very important message for you. The time has come to release negativity. A time to give rather than to take. Okay. Release negativity. Show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Show the world real you. Okay. Time to take breathe out. Time to take breathe out. Have faith in your dreams. Have faith in your dreams, Aquarius. And your hard work is paying off. Your hard work is paying off. Any other message? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having believe in impossible. Believe in impossible. Okay. Work through your fears. Okay. New moon in Scorpio. Work through your fears. Nothing is yet set in stone. Nothing is yet set in stone. And you are very close to achieving your goal. You are very close to achieving your goal. And the signs here I am right now looking is Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, Aquarius, Capricorn, Scorpio again. So some of you are dealing with Scorpio, Sagittarius, Virgo, Aquarius and Capricorn. That can be the signs which you are dealing with. Okay. These are the messages from the Moonology deck. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages from the Numerology deck. Help me out to deliver the messages which is important to deliver. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Abundance. Abundance is coming your way, Aquarius, and there is a health. You need to take care of your health. Okay. Any other message which is important? Okay. Relationship change. Okay. So relationship change is coming your way, and the change was there in the previous deck too. So some relationship change is coming your way. Financial discipline. Financial discipline is there. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. Wow. Healing is there. Some of you are need to heal yourself, Aquarius. Healing is there. You need to heal yourself. Healing. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Okay. Time out. You need to go out for some time. Individuality. Okay. Spiritual career. Moderation. You need to take care of your eating habits. Eat healthy. Whatever you are eating, try to eat healthy. Moderation. Spiritual career. Some of you are having spiritual career. So that's a message for you. And there is a love again for you. Okay. So these are the messages from Numerology deck. And the numbers for you are 11, 88, 66. Okay, so 6, 8, 11, 7. Okay, 1, 6, 7 and 8 are the important numbers for you. 1, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. That was a number for you, my Aquarius. That can be important for some of you. I don't know, but that can be important for some of you. That's why I told you. Let's see what are the messages from the animal spirits. Please tell me what are the messages to my Aquarius which they are need to know. Life is speeding up. That's the message I was getting. Let it shine. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver. Wow. Transformation is happening your way, Aquarius. You are getting transformed into butterfly. Transformation was the message in the previous deck too. See, healing is the message again and again. Snake spirit, time to heal. Bottom of the deck, I'm having snake spirit. Okay, so 3 messages for you from the animal spirit. First message is butterfly spirit. Transformation is beautiful. Can you see how beautiful this card is? So transformation is beautiful. Okay, pig spirit. Use your mind wisely. Okay, don't overthink. Pig spirit. Use your mind wisely. Electric eel spirit. Bring your ideas to life. Okay, bring your ideas to your life. Let me see any other message. Okay, any other message? Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? No. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having snake spirit. A time for healing. Some of you are need to heal yourself, Aquarius. And I'm getting more messages for you. Okay, I will tell you. This is very beautiful message. Transformation is beautiful. Yes, I agree, Aquarius. Transformation is beautiful. White raven spirit. Trust in the magic. Trust in the magic. Okay. Bobcat spirit. Life is a mystery. Life is a mystery. Stag spirit. Take the lead. There is something in which you have to take the lead. So take the lead, Aquarius. Buffalo spirit. The abundant universe will provide. The abundant universe will provide. Lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. Dream the world into being. Badger spirit. Be fearless and bold. Then there is panther spirit. Reclaim your power. Okay, reclaim your power. These are the messages from the animal spirit guides. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Thank you for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Thank you for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius, which is important to deliver. Help me out to deliver the messages. Help me out. Excuse. Okay. Help me out to deliver the messages. Cracker and plain. Okay, I am ready now. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay, lots of messages. What are the messages? I think there are a lot of messages today. Okay. 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 So let's see. Take care immediately to avoid temptation and deceit, devil. So devil was there in your main reading too. So take care if something is tempting you. Take care immediately to avoid temptation and deceit. Okay, is your first message. Patience. Slow down, change your attitude and clear your mind. You need to keep your patience, Aquarius. And there is birth. Universal energy brings you up possibilities and opportunities. Something is taking place, birth is taking place, because I'm having coffin here too. So something is ending. See, death card is there. So death and birth both are there. Death and birth both are there. So I'm keeping here death first and then there is birth. So yes, the time of natural transition and transformation. So transformation is taking place. You are taking something, you are ending something. Okay, so luck, you are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead. Okay, eagle, you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. That's the message. Love surrounds all the connections. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. Wow. Then there is coffin. Natural endings abound. Take care with your health. Okay. Plane. Again, I am getting plane. So a journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. So someone is going to take a journey, either a real journey or in your life. You're starting a new chapter in your life, in your journey. Phoenix, be prepared to be renewed after a period of crisis. Okay, and wish, your heart desire is ready to come true. Wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups energy, your wish is being granted, Aquarius. Then there is a chariot again, the third time in the main reading also I'm getting the chariot for you. Charge ahead with confidence, stay strong and focused. Snake, your intuition and healing powers will guide you to take a better path, but be careful. Okay, then there is a goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. Okay, so there is a goal message. Then there is a fool. Have the courage to embrace change. Take risk and be adventurous. Okay, and the last but not the least, celebrations. Again, celebration message is there for you. You are ready to bring new and exciting things to your life. So celebration card is there. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Thank you. Let's see some messages from this deck. What are the messages for my Aquarius, which is important, which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages. And I was seeing travel in this deck too. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important. Help me out to deliver the messages which is important. Talent is your first message. Use your talent, Aquarius. You are having lots of talents. Okay, so use your talent. And there is psychic abilities. So you are getting your third eye open. You are getting more intuitive, more psychic. Okay, so you use your psychic abilities. Okay, that's your talent. That can be your talent. Trust. Trust the universe, trust yourself, and move in the forward direction. Okay, any other message which is important to deliver? Okay, confidence and freedom. Okay, so confidence is there. Move with full confidence, Aquarius. Okay, and you are getting your freedom message. So you're getting your freedom. Okay, freedom card is there. Friendship, some of you are creating more new friends. Okay, friendship is coming your way. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having empowerment. You're getting more empowered than before. Okay, so let's see. Fertility is there. Either you are taking a birth to a new idea, or some of you are getting pregnant, but this fertility means that you are creating something new. Okay, giving birth to new ideas, new career. You're giving birth to something new. Fertility is there, and there is a home here. So home message is there. Inspiration. Okay, there is a financial health. Then there is grieving. Passion. Yes, use your passions, Aquarius. Passion is there. And there is new beginnings, and there is commitment again. So commitment is coming your way. Maybe you are getting your commitment, and there are new beginnings. So welcome your new beginnings with open heart. Okay, new beginnings. So open your new beginnings, welcome them with open heart, open arms, and say, welcome to my life. I really welcome new beginnings, and trust yourself and trust your new beginnings. See, bottom of the I'm just cutting it, not bottom of the deck. I was cutting my loving man. So yes, let's see. Commitment is there, and you deserve it, Aquarius. I was seeing deserve. You do not have to worry it. Okay, you do not have to worry it. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? I need to deliver. Please guide me, God. Spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. Okay. Transformation, bottom of the deck. I'm having transformation. So transformation is for sure, Aquarius. You are getting transformed. For sure, something is transformation is happening in your life. Okay, let's see what are the messages for you today. There is a teacher, so teacher is there in your life. Okay, letting it go. Yes, letting it go. Let go of all past hurts, past things. Okay, let it go. You need to release all the burdens as soon as possible. Okay, then there is a behind a mask. Okay, maybe you are covering yourself. You are not able to open up in front of anyone. Okay, you are not trusting it. Then there is a decrease. Okay, optimism. Be optimistic as much as you can. There is a milestone that you have achieved. Okay, so there is a milestone. Then there is a status quo. Okay, there is hidden motivations. Okay, there is hidden motivations, and again, Aquarius, I'm getting new beginnings. New beginnings are there. So letting go, let go of all burdens, all past hurts, whatever you are carrying with you. So let go of them all. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving these messages. Any other message, any other deck I can use for you? Let me see. Let's add some messages from the soul journey. What are your soul journey lesson cards? And I will close it out then. What are the messages? What are the soul lessons which my Aquarius has to learn? Help me out to deliver the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Give me the messages. Purpose. I know what I am here to do. Yes, Aquarius, that the soul lesson you need to learn, that you have a purpose here on earth and you need to learn that. Happiness. I'm aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. Okay, that's the message. Soul lesson for you. Okay, forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. Yes, you need to forgive as soon as possible, so that bottom of the deck I'm having abundance. Abundance is there. So yes, you need to forgive as soon as possible. Forgive yourself, forgive others, okay, so that you can get your abundance. Then there is a trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. That's the soul lesson. You need to trust, Aquarius. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Yes, that's true. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much. Why I am feeling like something is left to tell you. There is something more I have to add. That's the message I am getting for myself, for you. Okay, so let's add this message from this. I don't know why, but I am getting the message that I need to add something. Okay, let's see. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages which is important to my Aquarius. Please help me out. Okay, let's see. What are the messages? Abundance. Abundance is coming your way, Aquarius. Abundance is the message for you, okay? What? Hope. Change. See, that's the main message I am getting for you in every deck. That change is coming your way, Aquarius. Hope. Hope for the best, okay? Don't give up. Hope for the best. You have to keep your hope, and there is a change coming your way. Change is there, okay? So change is coming your way. Any other message which is important to deliver? Any other message which is important to deliver? Any other message which is important to deliver? No. Okay. Playfulness. Okay, so playfulness is your message. So these are the messages for my lovely, beautiful Aquarius. I hope I resonate. You can resonate with these messages. I hope I help you out in some manner. Why there is something left in your reading? I don't know why. No. Okay. So yeah, these are the messages for you, Aquarius. These are the bonus messages for you. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. You have to take care of yourself, Aquarius, okay? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my video. And please let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Till the time, you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending lots of love and light to every single Aquarius, okay, all over the world. See you soon, my lovely Aquarius. Take care and bye-bye.